You've been watching a video on multiplying fractions. These are the notes to go with it. Pause as needed to write down the words. First, multiplying fractions. Number 1, multiply the numerator. Which is the top number. Number 2, multiply the denominator. Which is the bottom number. Simplify if necessary. That's the one where you're thinking, is it even? Does it end in 5 or 0? Does it end in 0, or is it a multiple of 3? Pause now to work out the problems on your own, and then check your answers. Okay, so this one, 3/5 times 1/4. You're going to take 3 times 1 is 3. 5 times 4 is 20. Ask yourself, are they even? Nope. Do they both end in 5 or 0? No. Do they both end in 0? No. And 20 is not a multiple of 3, so you're done. Now, 7 times 2 is 14. 8 times 3 is 24. Both of these are even numbers, so I'm going to divide by 2. 14 divided by 2 is 7. 24 divided by 2 is 12. That cannot be simplified anymore. Next, to multiply a mixed number, that's a whole number and a fraction. To multiply a mixed number, change it to an improper fraction first. That's where you multiply the denominator and add the numerator. And then go ahead and rewrite it. So 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9. Denominator stays the same. Times 2 over 5. 9 times 2 is 18. 4 times 5 is 20. Both of these are even numbers. 18 divided by 2 is 9. 10 divided by 2 is 20. Don't forget to pause as you need to. 7 times 1 is 7, plus 3 is 10. Denominator stays the same. 9 times 2 is 18, plus 6 is 24. Oops. Over 9. So now I have 240 over 63, I think. How many times does 63 go into 240? Just going to move this up just a little bit. 0, 0, 6. Let's try 4 times. Nope, 4 is going to be too much. 3 times. 9, 18, subtract. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 is 5. As long as this number is less than this number, you're good. This is your whole number. That's your big 3. 51 goes on the top, and 63 goes on the bottom. Now, both of these are multiples of 3. 51 divided by 3 is 17. 63 divided by 3 is 21. So your answer, now if that's not what you got, you need to go back and fix those. Okay, to multiply a fraction by a whole number is like 1, 2, 4, 9. Those are whole numbers. Rewrite the whole number as a fraction with a denominator of 1. So 3/7 times 28 over 1. 28 times 3, 4, 6, 84. over 7. Now I'm going to simplify by 7. 84 divided by 7 is, hold on, I need more room again, minus, bring down the 4, 2, no remainder. That means there's no fraction, it's just 12. Okay? So multiplying fractions, you need to know how to change a mixed number to an improper fraction. And you need to know how to change an improper fraction to a mixed number. And you also need to know how to simplify. If you're struggling with any of those things, you need to make sure that you practice them.